Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Reviews. Today, we step into the world of absolute power and peak luxury, where opulence is not merely measured in currency, but through the ultimate refinement of the human senses. Standing before me is the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, a vehicle rightfully crowned as the ultimate rolling palace, with a price tag approaching $1 million. Is this magnificent machine the absolute zenith of modern automotive engineering, or is it just an overindulgent piece of high-tech jewelry? Join me as we open the doors to this motorized sanctuary and dissect every mechanical masterpiece and intelligent algorithm to find the truth right now. To scientifically analyze a masterclass of luxury like the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, we must first examine it within the shifting landscape of design philosophies and technological leaps of the three-pointed star. The end of 2025 marked a historic turning point as Gordon Wagoner, the legendary design chief who defined the visual identity of Mercedes-Benz for decades, officially stepped down. The 2027 Maybach S-Class represents his final, crowning masterpiece, an impeccable aesthetic balance between classical, commanding road presence and the progressive, avant-garde spirit of the future. Observing the exterior, this flagship luxury sedan rejects aggressive, muscular creases to command attention. Instead, it boasts near-perfect proportions, with Maybach's signature elongated wheelbase projecting an incredibly stately stance on the road. The massive chrome grille, featuring elegant vertical slots inspired by bespoke pinstripe suits, pairs beautifully with the handcrafted double M emblem gracing the C-pillar. We can see a clear parallel in this level of meticulous craftsmanship when comparing it to the open-top Mercedes-Maybach SL 680, where every single chrome accent and oversized two-tone paint job undergoes hundreds of hours of manual hand polishing to achieve a flawless, mirror-like finish. However, the true soul of this rolling palace is only unveiled when you step inside the cabin. This is no longer a traditional car interior, it is a pinnacle of digital architecture. Inheriting and massively upgrading the MBUX Superscreen, system which integrates three high-definition displays under a single curved glass pane, as seen on the 2027 GLE, the Maybach S-Class delivers a breathtaking visual interface stretching from the driver's side to the passenger door. The beating heart of this system is the proprietary next-generation MB.OS, deeply integrated with advanced artificial intelligence, AI. To enhance physical interaction, Mercedes has also retained high-quality haptic physical buttons on the leather-wrapped steering wheel, a welcome trend we are seeing across the industry, from luxury SUVs to track-ready supercars like the new Ferrari 849 Testarossa. From an expert perspective, I highly praise how the AI within MB.OS automatically learns the owner's habits and daily routines to offer predictive suggestions for climate control, ambient lighting, and navigation without needing a single complex voice command. Many critics have fiercely debated the necessity of a dedicated passenger-side entertainment screen, arguing it is redundant when smartphones are so ubiquitous. But in a Maybach, this secondary display is far more than a mere toy. It features active privacy filtering technology, ensuring the driver is never distracted, while the front passenger can seamlessly adjust massage programs, customize the audio, or even securely review confidential financial reports on the go. For the rear executive seats, the true epicenter of the Maybach experience, the German automaker has redefined absolute luxury through ergonomics. The two individual executive seats offer a backrest recline angle of up to 43.5 degrees, accompanied by an adjustable calf rest, heated neck and shoulder cushions, and a hot stone massage system. Absolute serenity is guaranteed by the next-level active road noise cancellation, working in perfect harmony with the premium Burmester 4D surround sound system. Each musical note and deep bass frequency is not merely transmitted through the air, but physically pulsed directly through acoustic transducers embedded in the seatback, creating an auditory experience as visceral as sitting in the center of a world-renowned opera hall. It would be a grave oversight to ignore the mechanical marvels and dynamics of this masterpiece. To propel a vehicle weighing nearly 2.8 metric tons as effortlessly and smoothly as a presidential private jet, Mercedes has equipped it with an advanced, intelligent Airmatic air suspension. This system is far from passive. It uses dual stereo cameras mounted behind the windshield, paired with cloud-based road scanning database to analyze the oncoming terrain in milliseconds. The onboard computer calculates and adjusts the damping forces individually at each wheel, right before the tire contacts a bump. Real-world testing reveals that the system completely neutralizes lateral and vertical body movements, delivering an absolute magic carpet ride quality that feels as though you are gliding on a cloud. Furthermore, the legendary twin-turbocharged V12, the proud beating heart of Maybach's legacy, has undergone deep mechanical refinement to integrate with a V12 mild hybrid system. This setup delivers immense, effortless horsepower while completely eliminating turbo lag and any trace of engine vibration during start-stop cycles. In an era where extreme hypercars like the hybrid Ferrari Testarossa push beyond 1,000 horsepower using highly power-dense electric motors, or the Bentley Continental GT uses a hybrid system for performance, the Maybach S-Class takes a completely different path. It does not prioritize brutal track speeds. Instead, its power is tailored for supreme, whisper-quiet momentum. Whether navigating dense urban environments or accelerating on open highways, the power delivery of the 2027 Maybach S-Class remains incredibly silky and linear on every journey. In conclusion, the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is far more than just ultra-luxury transportation. It is the ultimate statement of power, technology, and social status. It stands as a brilliant testament that the boundary between classical mechanical luxury and cutting-edge artificial intelligence has been completely erased. Thank you for joining me on this exclusive tour of this million-dollar rolling palace. Please hit that subscribe button for next-gen auto reviews, turn on notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments below so you never miss the most scientific and in-depth car reviews on the web.